Kshitij, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello, everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, you are audible,
Guys,
Sarthak.
we
You
are
can
going to
continue.
start in next 5 minutes, and today we are going to start with self-scripting. So get ready for that. And today we are opening all the attendance form, as we have said. So you can mark your attendance if you have not marked previously. And this is the first and the last time dot question mark is opening any attendance form for the sessions. We want to take the live attendance and want to consider the live attendance only, but due to technical reason and due technical glitch from the student side, and this might be the first and the last time we are opening this. And uh, guys, we have confirmed the session with the Goldman Sachs mentor. We have a upcoming session with Mr. Apurv Kumar, who is the co-founder of uh, Shubh Loans the and the associate engineer in Goldman Sachs. So we have a great session with him on Monday. So till then, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. We are going to start in next 2 to 3 minutes.
Guys, if you have any previous queries, please feel free to ask, or I am going to start.
Kshitij, can we start the session?
Yes, we are starting. I am making a little announcement. After that, we are starting the session.
Okay, great.
Sarthak, one of the fellow Shubnam is asking about the link for the previous attendance form.
We will share in the session only. We will not share in starting of the session. At the end of the session, I will share all the links. Don't worry. Uh, about Project Arena. Project Arena, hopefully we are going to start from tomorrow, and all the details will be conveyed by our team till the evening. Till the evening, we will convey the detail. Tell us about Project Arena. Project
So,
Arena.
guys, is my screen? Sarthak, continue. Then I will.
Okay, okay, okay. So basically, guys, Project Arena is a part where we are coming up with various projects from various domains. Let's take a small example. As we all know basic Python. So let's start a Python Project Arena with Python, where we have a project from a voice recognition or a module or a project which is based on artificial intelligence and all. Our mentor will come. There will be a 2-day Project Arena for a single project. We give 2 days and make a project from very zero to very advanced level. So yes, Kshitij, I want to say something. Kshitij, do you want to say
This is
something?
regarding yesterday's session. We have got the answer from Pramanand, Saraswat, Nancy, Jan, and Arushi. We have only received 3 responses, and guys, please respond on the LinkedIn post, as the attendance will be considered from the LinkedIn post. Also, I want to say that Nancy provided a link of Geeks for Geeks article about the PV command. And the PV command article, you have to create a blog on yourself and provide the link. And we will provide a Google form for that. So you have to provide the link for the article which you have created by yourself, not an existing article which someone else has created. So this was the announcement that I wanted to make. Hope everyone is clear with it.
And kudos to those who have submitted the answers. And in today's session, we will tell you how to change the IP of the system. So, guys, let's start with today's session, and we are good to go. Thank you. Guys, if you have any doubt regarding yesterday's session, you can ask, or we are starting in. We are starting. Kshitij, can we start? Uh, Guys, wait for a while. Kshitij is connecting in next 2 minutes. Wait for a while. Till then, I'm opening the attendance form. Fill your attendance if you have not filled yet. So wait for few more seconds. Guys, I'm sharing the link in next 2 minutes. Please wait for 2 minutes only. No language is required. No language is required for the project arena. Only the basics of the any language is required. If you know C, so you only the basic is required. Let's take an example. If you know C, so you should know about what is data types, what is int, what is float. Basic. This is only required, or all the things will be taught by our mentor. We will put the attendance link in the description, and it will close after 2 to 3 hours, or we will till midnight. Those who have the problem with attendance, so please fill the form. And today's attendance we will share. Today's attendance we will share after the session only. Okay, let me check each and everything. Guys, any other doubt regarding NEEV? Any other doubt? Kshitij will join and take care all the doubts regarding Linux. If you have any other doubt regarding NEEV, so you can ask.
And the series of command which is stored
Hello,
in
hello,
text
hello.
file. Yes,
Kshitij.
Arthur.
I think you
Yes,
have
sir.
reconnected. I think you have reconnected. Please.
Yes, I have reconnected and I am starting from the beginning only.
So please start from the beginning. Na?
I am starting from the beginning only.
Okay, thank you, Kshitij. Thank you. So any PDF for Linux, we have shared all the notes in the group itself. So go through that, or day after tomorrow. On Monday we will share PDF of all 4 days notes. So don't take tension for the notes. And Kshitij, you are good to go. I am handling over the chat.
Okay, so what is shell scripting? Shell scripting is a series of commands which is stored in a text file. For example, if we want to execute 50 commands in a similar uh, manner in 50 different systems, so what we have to do, we have to type the 50 commands in 50 different systems. But when it comes with shell scripting, we can create a file once and we need to type one command in one system and the whole file will be executed, the 50 commands will be executed. So shell script is nothing else than a series of commands. Most of you have heard about batch file in Linux, and the shell scripting is similar to batch file in Windows, and but it is more powerful. And shell script is the fundamental part of Unix and Linux environment. And most of you have queries about what is Unix. Unix is the version of the Linux from which Linux is originated. So shell script consists of various parts. Let us see what parts are there in shell script. First, shell consists of keywords. For example, if, else, for, etc., which you have used in other programming languages also. Then comes the commands. Commands are the Linux commands which you have used till now. For example, it can be pwd, ls, or anything else. And then comes the text processing utility. Text processing utility are also like commands present in Linux. For example, they are grep, awk, sed. Then comes functions. And then comes control flow. Control flow can be your switch, if else, etc. loops. These are all control flow. And these are the parts of the shell script, and these are similar to any other programming language. As in other programming language, we have similar kind of things. So shell script is a kind of programming language built basically for Linux operating system automation. So what is the purpose of shell script? There can be three major purposes of a shell script. One of first of them is it can be used for a specific purpose. Specific purpose can be installation of any software in our system or configuring our system according to our specific needs. Second, it can act as a command. We can create our own command using shell script. And third is to improve code reusability. For example, we want to execute same command again and again. We can create a shell script, and the shell script can automate the thing. So the same code which we have written once can be executed multiple times using the shell scripting. So let us take some of the use case of shell script. Use case of shell script. One of the use case can be to take input from user and output to the screen. Another great use case can be repetitive task automation. Further, we can use shell script to create powerful tools.
Kshitij, are you there? I think network issue is there on your side today. No problem. So, Vishali Shah, what you didn't understand, improve code usability. Improve code usability means when a user or when a system, when a user or when a developer is code a particular project, might be there is a technical glitch. Guys, wait for 5 minutes and he will be back. I know, I know, I know, I know. Okay, those who have didn't understand what is shell script, let me understand on a very easy note. Shell script क्या होती है? हाँ, shell script क्या होती है? जब हम एक लिनक्स हमारा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, ठीक है, लिनक्स इज आवर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, और हमें जब उससे कोई ऑटोमेशन कराना है, मतलब जब एक कोई टास्क, हमें एक स्पेसिफिक टास्क ऑटोमेटिकली परफॉर्म कराना है, तो हम शेल स्क्रिप्ट का यूज करते हैं. बेसिकली हम पाइथन का भी यूज करते हैं, बट शेल स्क्रिप्ट ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. शेल स्क्रिप्ट ज्यादा क्यों यूज करते हैं, वो क्षितिज ने 3 पॉइंट बताए थे. ठीक है, जो कोड रीयूजेबिलिटी थी वो उसका सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर होता है. सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर कोड रीयूजेबिलिटी क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो कोड हम यूज कर रहे हैं शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग में, the code which we are using in shell scripting, we can use that same code to automate many other processes. ठीक है, पहली बात. और अभी मैं बताता हूं शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग से हम कर क्या क्या सकते हैं. सपोज यू हैव अ सिस्टम, ठीक है, यू हैव अ सिस्टम, और आपको उसको एक कमांड देनी है कि सिस्टम आपको इस समय राहुल को या रवि को ये पर्टिकुलर एक मेल करनी है. ठीक है, रात के 12 बजे या रात के 2 बजे आपको राहुल को मेल करनी है. अब रात के 2 बजे मेल करनी है, तो यू आर नॉट द पर्सन, राइट पर्सन टू ओपन योर लैपटॉप एंड मेल टू राहुल. ओके ना? तो व्हाट यू डू, यू राइट अ स्क्रिप्ट, you write a small script of 2 to 3 lines, and what the script do for you, script क्या करेगी, that particular script mail automatically, okay, mail automatically schedule a job, and and mail to Rahul. Can I provide a tutorial for dual booting? Okay, we will try to provide. I think shit is here.
Sarthak, can we do one thing? Can you share the screen and do the return thing? Because I think there is some issue when I share the screen with my internet connection today.
Okay, no problem. What I need to do is, may I
You need
share
to
my
type.
my
Yes, you can.
I'm sharing my screen. Wait a minute. No problem.
So we are going further with the advantages of shell script. Let me try it continue.
Okay. No problem, guys. We are.
So
Very
these are
sorry.
some of the advantages of shell script which I have provided. Shell script is easy to use. Shell script provides us easy debugging methods. I will show you how to debug a shell script today only. Shell script provides a quick start and is a time saving. It provides quick start as it does not require any further previous libraries to load. For example, in C, we need to load stdio.h file. In Java, we need to load libraries. In Python, we also need to load the libraries. But in shell script, we need not to load any libraries. So it provides a quick start. It is time saving also because we need not to write the commands again and again. So it saves the time due to physical uh, interaction with the computer. And task automation is automatically advantage of the shell script, and no additional effort is required in while we are using the shell script. There are also some of the disadvantages of shell script for which we use other concepts like makefile and some of the other concepts. So let us also discuss the disadvantages. So the disadvantage of shell script are that it sometimes has compatibility issue. Compatibility issue occur if I have designed a shell script for Ubuntu system. So it will work in all the kind of Debian system. But when it comes to a Red Hat based system, RPM based system, so the command for RPM is yum, but for Ubuntu is apt. So shell script is not compatible with all kind of Linux, but with similar flavor of Linux, it is compatible. So this is only the disadvantage of shell script. This is actually not a disadvantage. It is only the thing that some command are not available on one device and some command are not available on another device. So it cannot be considered a disadvantage, but we can consider it in disadvantage. Moving further to bash shell. As shell script is a feature, so we need a shell to execute the script. So let us today discuss about the different files of bash shell. So there is a profile in bash. There is a file that is /etc/profile. Guys, this is a important concept, so please try to focus more on the concept. You will not find the content over the internet on even. So these are some of the concepts which is a great level concept, high level concept. So etc profile. This is a system wide initialization file. System wide initialization file, and it is executed by login shell. So what is login shell and what is non-login shell? Non-login shell is the shell which is prompted to us when after we have logged into the system. But have you noticed that a shell is also there when we log in into the system which asks for the username and the password. So that shell is known as login shell. And the file etc/profile is executed by the login shell. And there is a file known as /etc/bash.bash.rc. It is the system wide shell startup file. So this file decides which shell will be started in the system by default. And there is a file /etc/bash.logout. And this is system wide shell cleanup file. So when we execute something in the terminal, and when we close the terminal and open the terminal again,
I think Kshitiz, there is a problem from your side today. Okay, no problem, guys. No problem, guys. I think today issues very internet issues there at the end of this Kshitiz. So we are ending this session here only, and we are very sorry for the today's session. And we hope that we take this particular session tomorrow. We hope that we take this particular session tomorrow, or we can reschedule this session. I think internet connectivity issues there from the side. Guys, if you have any doubt regarding anything, you can ask from me, or I will share a attendance form. Wait for 2 minutes. I am sharing the attendance form. Please fill that attendance form. Okay, we are not considering today's attendance, and I have shared day 3 and day 4 attendance. And let me opening the other attendance of day 1 AWS day. Guys, those who have not filled the form, previously they have to fill. Disadvantage of shell script is that only no disadvantage is there. First of all, basically shell script is not compatible, with other devices. Suppose you are using Ubuntu system. Okay, suppose you are using Ubuntu system and I am using Red Hat in the sense I am using Fedora. So when we are talking about Ubuntu, so we are writing sudo apt get installed and the command name what we need to install. But in Fedora, what we are doing, we are writing yum apt yum installed and the command name. So there is the problem. Day two attendance, guys. One thing more, please comment on the LinkedIn post. We are monitoring the LinkedIn attendance also, and we are monitoring the LinkedIn part also, because LinkedIn is a very good thing for you. Group number, the group name. Suppose you are on group one of NEEV, DQ NEEV one is your NEEV one is your group number. So in which group you are is your group number. Day
Sarthak,
one I
can
am
you shift?
sharing.
Sarthak, can you shift today's class to Google Meet? I think there is a problem with the StreamYard only because my internet is working fine.
Uh, can we reschedule the session, Satij? I have
We can also shift the session to Google Meet if everyone is familiar with Google Meet.
let me share you the link, guys. Let me share you the link. Wait for 2 minutes.
Until Sarthak share the link, let us continue over here only.
Please write this NEEV DQ NEEV Jharkhand. Please write over there.
So I was talking about some of the bash files. So these were the some of the system-wide initialization file. These are system-wide initialization file, but these are user-based initialization file. The bash profile is the similar. It initializes the shell for a particular user, and the bash rc file initializes the shell for a particular time, and the bash logout file is similar. Now, here comes a new file, .input rc file. The input rc file is is
Kshitij,
for individual read line.
I
Okay,
have
I am
shared the
joining the
link.
Google Meet.
I am shared the link. Please be here for few more minutes. And today, guys, if we are on Google Meet, let's discuss how we are going and what you want next. Everyone, please join the meet. I think today we can take the attendance through Google only. Please join the meet fast. Yes, yes, join the meet. We are waiting for few more minutes. I think Kshitij we can. Guys, let's end this session.
Guys, am I audible?
Thank you.